Bryce Canyon National Park. We have our stretchy time cool down, 5 minutes non-stop. It's a beautiful summer evening and it is stormy. There's thunder, there's lightning, and it is about time for the sun to go down. So we're gonna cool down with a little bit of stretching as the weather is all over the place. Our blood's flowing after that workout. It's a great time to just cool our body down here in Bryce Canyon. So we're gonna start 5 minutes non-stop. We got a deep stretch in a squat. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So nice and deep, side to side, relaxing our body. Bryce Canyon, right on the rim trail. The weather's just crazy during the summertime. Storms coming in and out, then it's bright sunshine. But as you can see behind me, giving you guys a different look of the park. Just completely stunning. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Hips right here, legs wide. We got to stretch to the right, side bend, 30 seconds. Oh yeah. A lot of people don't know this. Bryce Canyon is high on the Colorado Plateau. Down in the canyon reaches anywhere from 7,000 up to 9,000 feet. So the weather patterns are just all over the place. Switch. Gets lots of snow in the wintertime. So it forms these hoodoos at night. Temperatures can get freezing, and then during the day can rise 80, 90 plus degrees. 15 seconds. Stretching it out, keeping the core nice and tight, breathing through. 2, 1. We have our lunge stretch. You know I love this one. Just in a half lunge and just opening up the chest, the shoulders, locking out, breathing. The thunder in the distance. Here we go. Love this one. Especially if you're sitting all day, opening up the hips and shoulders, super important. If you are at a desk or traveling, this is a great one. Just incorporate a couple times a day. Switch sides. Right leg forward. Opening up. Oh yeah. Nice and deep. 30 seconds. 15 seconds left. Wow. Rainbow behind us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have right elbow overhead with a side bend, just like that. Let's go. Let's hold that for 30 seconds. Once again, opening up the shoulder and the hip. 2 of the major tight points in our bodies for the most part. 2, 1, other side. Grabbing that elbow. Breathing through. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got right leg forward. We're going to do that hamstring stretch. So you can grab the touch a toe if you can. If not, just grab behind the knee just like that. You're just feeling a little bit of pressure in that hamstring. Super important. Loosen that up. Causes a lot of lower back pain. 10 seconds, going 30. Wow. 3, 2, 1, other side. Left leg. Let's go. holding tight, pointing those toes up, dorsiflex. Breathing through, making sure those hips are square also, just like that. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna do some big, deep shoulder shrugs. 3, backwards, 2, 1, forward, 3, 2, 1, and our neck rolls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. So now we're going to do our big deep breaths. Remember, inhale through the nose, belly button expands, hold, exhale out the mouth. So 3 of them, super big. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the nose, hold the stomach tight, exhale one more time. Deep breath through the nose, hold, exhale, and last time, big deepest breath of the day. Inhale through the nose, hold, and exhale out the mouth. Good job. Thank you for joining me. Stretchy time here in Bryce Canyon National Park. Please come visit if you've never been. This place is absolutely stunning, and make sure no traces left behind, preserving the land for future generations. I'll see y'all next time for the outdoor body workout and stretching. Stay wild.